Hi guys, I'm Vanessa and we are doing an unboxing today for the Tideway high-speed hair dryer. So we will open this so that you will know what is inside in this box. So this is the hair dryer. See how beautiful it is, the hair dryer. That is the hair dryer and this is the wire. It's long wire and they have also on and off here, so you can see that is the hair dryer, and this is the nozzle of this hair dryer, high-speed dryer. So this is also belong in the hair dryer, and this one they have also instruction. And this hair dryer, guys, this is a long hair that would take the traditional hair dryer from 10 to 15 minutes to dry and can be dried in less than 5 minutes with Tideway. So you have fun and experience with this, and they have also a negative ion, no freeze. They have also heat control, and there are also different heat settings. They have available with a Tideway red, orange, blue, alternatives colors, guys. And what are you waiting for, guys? This is so good and I highly recommend it, guys. Thank you for watching.